If your sound is noisy, unclear, or even plain bad, really bad, don't worry. Because in this video, I will show you 5 simple ways to turn your trash audio into a professional quality sound. And guess what? Even without an expensive microphone. Using the CapCut mobile app. So let's assume that this is the video you want to edit and you want to enhance the audio as well. The first thing you want to do is to select the video. How do you select the video? Do that by tapping on the video. You see white lines around the edge of the video. This means that the video is being selected. But if I tap on this black space here, those lines is not there again. That means the video is not being selected. You need to select the video so that you see those settings you want to apply. So tap on the video, select the video, then go to volume. Click on it. Some people usually increase their volume to 1000. But if you feel like it's okay for you, fine. But as for me, when I increase my video volume to 1000, the audio becomes too high that the sound look worse. But I usually leave my at 500 or 5 something. So I will do that by increasing it to 500 or 5 something. Bad audio can ruin. So this is the first thing I want to do. The next thing you want to do is to go to reduce noise. Click on it. Bad audio can. Yes. Now the last thing you want to do is to go to enhance voice. Here is it. To use enhance voice, make sure you connect to the internet and make sure your video is not more than 15 minutes long. If your video is 15 minutes long, 20 minutes long, 30 minutes long, you need to split your video into 5 minutes so that you have to do it for each of these clips until you get to the end. Otherwise, CapCut won't allow you to do enhanced voice for video longer than 15 minutes. So for me, my video is less than 2 minutes. I'll just click here. Click on minimize. Drag this to the edge. Minimize. Then wait for it to get to 100%. As you can see, it is 20%. So let's wait and it get to 100%. So let's listen to it for some few seconds. Bad audio can ruin the best video you have created. Bad audio can ruin the best video you have created. That is amazing, right? But what if your video is more than 15 minutes or even 20, 30 minutes? What you need to do, like I mentioned earlier, you need to split the video into smaller parts like this. Split. Go here, split, and just like that. Then apply the enhanced voice for each of the clip. Apply for this, go to the next, apply for this, go to the next, then apply for this until you get to the end. I hope that helps. Using Adobe Podcast. Alright, the next thing you want to do is to type Adobe Podcast on your browser, and that brings you to the first link here, which is the link to the website. You want to click on it. That takes you here. If you are using it for the first time, it will ask you to sign in with your email. I have already done that. Without signing in, you won't be able to use the website to enhance your audio. So when you are signing, you just need to come down here, say go to enhance speech, click on it. Then here say choose file. Don't forget, before you choose file, make sure you have already extracted the audio from the video. If your audio is from a recorded video, you need to extract it from that video so that you can upload it here, because the website only clean up audio. That's why you say clean up audio. It does not clean up video. So you need to extract the audio from the video. But if your audio is from voiceover, you don't need to extract it. You just need to choose file directly. But in my case, I already have the video with the audio together, so I want to extract it. To extract it, you can use any app in the Google Play Store or App Store to extract your audio from your video. For me, I use the CapCut desktop version. This is the CapCut desktop version. I use it because I want to extract the audio from this video so that I can export the audio to this website, Adobe Podcast. So, if you don't have any app that can extract your audio, you can do that with the CapCut desktop version. To do that, this is my video. I want to extract the audio. You just come here that says export. If you look at it very well, you see here is check, it says video. Here is also check, it says audio. If I click on export, it means that I'm exporting both the video and the audio all together. But that will not work when I want to come to the website to enhance the audio because it won't work. I only need the audio. So what I want to do is to uncheck this box. Here now say MP3. If I click on it back, you see the video appear. If I click on it, it disappear. So this is how I want it to be. Only need the audio, the MP3. That's why I say MP3. So when I'm done, I will click on export. Click on OK. So for me, the exported audio is located in this folder called thumbnail, which is this. This is where I set it to save to. But in your case, you might check and play around with your computer to see where your audio is saved to. So after I have extracted my audio from the video, then I need to go back to the website. I will click on choose file. Now, this is the audio. Remember, it is in my folder called thumbnail. I will click on it. Yours might be different, but you just need to play around it. Click on open. You say your audio is ready. So the next thing is to click on download. If you look here, it's already downloading. Alright, so this is my download folder. As you can see, the audio is ready, which is this. So I need to go back to CapCut so that I will import the audio which I have enhanced with the website. I will import it here and remove the old one. So let me click on it, import. Let's go to download where I downloaded it from. Here is it, which is also this. I do it twice. So I will click this, open, drag to the timeline. Now, I want to mute this because if I don't mute this, the two audio will be playing all together, which is what I don't want. So I will click on it, then click this place here that says mute. Let me play the audio to see if it has been enhanced. Bad audio can ruin the best video you have created. You can put a lot of effort. This is amazing, right? So when you are done, you want to click on export. This time you are not exporting only the audio, you are exporting both the video and the audio together. Click on export. You are good to go. Use a cheap external microphone instead of your phone or your laptop mic. Even a 5,000 naira lapel mic is much better than your built-in phone or laptop mic. For example, this microphone that you can see here is much better than my built-in mic in my phone or in my laptop. This mic I'm using is Booyah by M1. I got it at around 3,000 naira on Jumia website. So you can get something like this as cheap as this. Is better than using your phone microphone or your laptop microphone. This microphone is cheap, but it will sound better. If you can't afford a mic, use a wired earphone. They often have better audio than phone mics. A 3,000 naira Booyah by M1 lapel mic can make your video 10 times clearer than your phone mics using Audacity. The next thing you want to do is to use a free tool called Audacity. You can use Audacity to edit your audio. If you don't have Audacity installed in your computer, you just need to type Audacity in your browser. Then click on the first link that will take you to the website. You click on download and you download it in your PC. That's why you see try for free. For me, I already have Audacity installed in my computer. So all I just need to do is to import the audio I want to edit to Audacity. Remember, you need to extract the audio from the video. If your audio is in a video, you need to extract it before you can import it to Audacity. If it's a voiceover, you just import it directly. For my case, I've already showed you how to use the CapCut desktop version to extract the audio from your video. So I will not do that again. I will just need to come here and show you another way to edit the audio. So let's come here, import, go to audio, then here is it. This is the extracted audio that I extracted from my video using the CapCut desktop version. I'll just click on it, click on open. Now I need to increase it so that I can see it very well by pressing the Wii in your keyboard and your mouse. If you notice very well, you see that there is an empty space before I start talking. I usually pause some few minutes before I talk so that I will give Audacity the idea of my background noise. The way Audacity works is that Audacity will look at where you are not talking, those empty space where you are not talking, then it will use it as an idea to remove the background noise from your video or your audio, I mean. So what I want to do first is to remove the background noise from this audio. So what I will do, I will put my mouse here, select to the right. You see that the color of this is different from this. When you see this white color, it shows that this side of the audio is being selected. So you will select it by placing your console here and drag to the right. So you want to come to effects. Remember, we are removing the background noise. You want to come to effects, noise remover and repair. Then go to noise reduction. Click on get noise profile. Next is to press Ctrl A on your keyboard to highlight the whole thing. Go back again to effects, come to noise remover and repair, click on noise reduction. This time, don't click on noise or get noise profile. Don't do that because I've already given Audacity the idea to get noise profile at the first step. So here's step 2. Step 2 is to check and play around some settings. Noise reduction 6, sensitivity 6, frequency 6. I'm okay with the setting. Then I will just click on OK. You can see the noise has been reduced. The next thing we want to do is to give this our audio some equalizer settings so that it will look like a professional quality sound. To do that, come to effect, make sure everything is still selected. Come to EQ and filters, then come to filter curve EQ. The EQ is the equalizer. Click on it. Come to preset and settings, factory presets, then click on tremble boost. You can see the arrow has changed, then click on apply. Now we'll go back again to effects, come to EQ and filters, then come to filter curve EQ again, preset and settings, factory presets, Then this time you click on bass boost. You see the arrow is different. Then click on apply. As you can see, there is a change in the shape of the audio. It was not like this before. It shows that I have applied some equalizer settings successfully. Now the last thing we want to do is to compress the audio. The reason why we are compressing the audio is to make sure that the part where I talk too high will be low and the part where I talk too low will be high, to balance it. So to do that, we want to come to effects, click on volume and compression, click on limiter, then make sure add limit is selected. You want to click on apply. So this is all. Now let me play the audio. Bad audio can ruin the best video you have created. That is amazing, right? So when you are done, you want to export the audio and come to CapCut and continue to edit your video. To do that, you come here, file, go to export, you click on export as MP3. When you export it, you go to CapCut or your video editing app of your choice, then you continue to edit your video. As like I showed you in the previous example, you want to mute the face audio and drag this audio to the timeline and continue your editing using auphonic.com. So what you want to do here is to open your phone browser and type auphonic.com. As you can see the way it is being spelled there, then click enter. This takes you to the website. Here is the website. One good thing that I love about this website is that it allows you to upload your video directly and enhance your audio. You know, those previous methods I'll be using, you first of all extract your audio from your video before you can enhance the audio, right? But in this website, you just need to upload your recorded video directly once, and that will edit your audio and enhance it for you. Is that not amazing? And you can also do that with your phone. But one thing you want to notice that the website will ask you to sign in with your email account if you are using it for the first time. For me, I've already done that. That is why you can see it like this. After signing in, you want to click on select video, right? Click on it. Mine is medium picker. Maybe yours might be different. I want to select the video. You can see the video I want to use here, which is MP4. As you can see here, you see MP4. This is my video. Remember, I have not extracted the audio. I just recorded the video and want to upload it directly. Then click select. As you can see here, say start. Then click start. Now it is uploading 0%. Let's give it some time until it gets to the end. Yeah, you see your result is ready. Now this is the video that I have uploaded and the website has enhanced the audio for me. It gives me two options to download in MP4 or MP3. So let me click this MP3 download. Download again. So this MP3 that I have downloaded, then I will take it to CapCut and continue to edit my video. This is all we can take for today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And I will see you in the next one.